We'll guide you through how to understand the meaning of Notion in the context of using the Notion app. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Notion website at notion.so. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're in, you'll notice that Notion is designed as a flexible tool for organizing your thoughts, projects, and tasks. The word Notion itself refers to an idea or concept, and this app embodies that by allowing you to capture and organize your ideas in one place. Start by creating a new page by clicking the New Page button on the left sidebar. Here, you can give your page a title and choose a template if you like. Templates can help you get started with various formats like to-do lists, calendars, and more. You can also create your own custom layouts. Within a page, you can add blocks, which are the building elements of Notion. To do this, click the plus icon next to your cursor or simply type a / to bring up the block menu. This is where Notion's flexibility really shines, as you can add text, headings, checkboxes, bullet points, and even embed links or media files. Each block can be rearranged by dragging and dropping, allowing you to structure your ideas exactly how you need them. If you're working on a project with a team, you can share your Notion pages with others by clicking the Share button at the top right, which allows for real-time collaboration. Remember, the meaning of Notion in this context is all about how you can capture and organize ideas in a way that works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.